Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Bitwarden self-hosted connection on your server, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your Bitwarden self-hosted connection on your server, start by logging into your server using SSH. Use a terminal application to initiate the connection. Enter your server's IP address and your SSH credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the directory where your Bitwarden installation is located. You can typically find this in a folder named Bitwarden or a similar designation. Next, check the status of the Bitwarden services. Use the command appropriate for your setup, such as docker ps if you're using Docker. Look for the containers running for the Bitwarden services. Make sure the essential services, such as the web, API, and database, are active. If the containers are not running, you may need to start them with the command docker compose upd. Once the services are confirmed to be running, proceed to check the server's firewall settings. Use the command to list your firewall rules, typically sudo of status or iptables-l. Ensure that ports 80 for HTTP and 443 for HTTPS are open. Now, open a web browser and enter your server's domain or IP address followed by /admin. This will direct you to the Bitwarden admin panel. Log in using your admin credentials. If the admin panel loads successfully, your service is functioning properly. To verify the SSL certificate, check the address bar for the Secure Connection indicator. Click on the padlock icon to view certificate details. Ensure it matches your domain and is not flagged as expired. For further verification, you can use tools like SSL Labs to analyze your SSL configuration. Back in your terminal, you can also test the API connection. Use a command like curl https your domain API sync, replacing your domain with your actual server address. If the connection is successful, you should receive a JSON response. Lastly, monitor the logs for any potential errors. Check the logs with the command docker logs container_name for specific service containers. Resolve any listed issues before finalizing your connection verification. By following these steps, you ensure that your Bitwarden self-hosted instance is properly connected and functioning on your server. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.